Hey, what's up everybody? Basenji Ray here saying hello. Actually, we just wanted to pop in real quick and let you guys know that we're starting a mailing list and you might want to be on it. If you are a dog owner especially, because we've got a video coming up soon. We haven't even shot it yet, but it's coming soon. And in it, we're going to be announcing another giveaway. And I can't tell you anything else about it except that you have to be a dog owner and you have to be in the US. And so what we're going to do is have you sign up for the mailing list and we'll pick the email from there and we'll go from there. More details will be in that video. So what I'm going to do is put the website link right here on the video as well as in the description of the video. So if you have a dog and want a chance to win something coming up soon, then please sign up. And if you're a fan of this channel, sign up anyway, because here's the thing. We don't know what we're going to do with the list yet. We're going to use it for giveaways for sure. And there's going to be a way for you to indicate whether or not you have a dog and some details and whatnot. But, you know, if you want to just be on our mailing list, go ahead and sign up. We promise we're never going to spam you and we're never going to give your personal information away, your email address, whatever. So you got Zinja's promise for that for sure. I'm not sure where Zulu is, but she's not right here. I'd show her beautiful face too. But anyway, thanks. And we got more videos coming out this coming Sunday. We've gotten to the point where we're putting out our videos now at 1 p.m. Eastern on Sunday. And then maybe we'll do some other little ones like this during the week whenever we feel inclined to do so. Hope you all have a great weekend coming up because this is being shot on a Friday. So please sign up for our mailing list and we'll see you in the next video.